So today we learn hoisting in a JavaScript. So basically, what is the hoisting? Hoisting is when you declare a variable. Okay. So there is some example like console.log a, and after that you declare this variable. So what is JavaScript do? JavaScript is automatically do this declaration on the top. Okay. Every declaration. Okay, every declaration put on top, just like where a. Okay, so there is a automatically default thing in a JavaScript. So what do you think, what is the output is? The output is undefined because, wait, output is undefined because there is some value, uh, JavaScript automatically declare na a. So that is why. Okay, if you use, देखो, this is where condition is different, and after that we take an example of let. If you use instead of where, you can use let. The error is come. Okay, so the error is come. What is error? The error is uncatched reference error cannot access before be before initialization. Okay, so it means to say the declaration automatically goes on the top. It means to say let be. Okay, this is the simple. So that was the reason the error will come. Okay, so this is a default behavior in a JavaScript that the this error show. Okay, and in condition of cons, the again show error. Okay, only where condition not getting error. Okay, notice it. In when you use const, the uncatch error reference error cannot access C before initialization. Okay, let and const give you error in a hoisting. Okay, so sorry, in a hoisting, sorry. So let and const give error because there is default behavior in JavaScript that the declaration goes to the top in a where condition, not giving you error. This giving you undefined. It means to say कि something is present in code. Okay, so this is very simple thing in a JavaScript. You can give them example in an interview. This is very simple example. Okay, because lots of interview asking the hoisting or the people confusing about. So you can give them example and say that the JavaScript default behavior is go, the all declaration goes on top. Okay, and after that we console that value. Okay, so more preference, you can give them this example. Thank you. There is also a short, you can watch that. Okay.